Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best products on Amazon to clean your fridge in 2024. Let's be honest, cleaning the fridge is a chore many of us dread. But a clean fridge is essential for keeping our food fresh, preventing cross-contamination, and even just making us feel good when we open it up. So whether you're dealing with mysterious smells, stubborn stains, or just want to give your fridge a refresh, we've got you covered. We're going to explore a range of products from heavy-duty cleaners to clever organizational tools, all designed to make your life easier and your fridge sparkle. Our first must-have is a cleaning powerhouse that you might already have in your kitchen. Dawn Powerwash Platinum Plus Dish Spray is not just for dishes, it's incredibly versatile and works wonders on various surfaces inside your fridge. This spray tackles grease, grime, and sticky messes with ease. It's formulated to cut through tough food residue, making it perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach corners and crevices. Imagine effortlessly wiping away spills on your fridge shelves, removing dried-on food splatters from your crisper drawers, and even tackling those stubborn stains on the door shelves. And the best part? You don't need to scrub excessively. The powerful formula of Dawn Power Wash does the heavy lifting for you. Simply spray, wipe with a damp cloth, and rinse. Your fridge will be sparkling clean in no time. Dawn Power Wash Platinum Plus Dish Spray is also phosphate-free and biodegradable, making it a more environmentally friendly option for your home. So ditch those harsh chemicals and embrace the cleaning power of Dawn Power Wash for a sparkling clean and fresh-smelling fridge. Now that your fridge is sparkling clean, let's talk about organization. A well-organized fridge helps prevent food waste and makes finding what you need a breeze. That's where Utopia Home Fridge Organizer bins come in. These versatile bins maximize space and keep your fridge neat. The clear design lets you see exactly what's inside each bin. They are stackable, maximizing vertical space. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these bins are easy to clean and built to last. We've tackled cleaning and organization, but what about those lingering odors that can take over your fridge? Even with regular cleaning, certain smells can be stubborn and unpleasant. That's where the Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer comes to the rescue. This innovative deodorizer is specifically designed to eliminate foul odors and keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Unlike traditional baking soda boxes that need frequent replacement, the Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer lasts for up to 10 years. Yes, you heard that right, a decade of odor-free freshness. The secret lies in its powerful activated carbon filter, which effectively absorbs and neutralizes even the toughest odors. Whether it's leftover fish, pungent cheese, or spoiled vegetables, this deodorizer can handle it all. The compact and sleek design of the Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer allows it to be discreetly placed anywhere in your fridge without taking up valuable storage space. It's also incredibly easy to use. Simply unpackage it and place it inside your fridge. No need for batteries, refills, or complicated instructions. Chapter 4. Keeping stainless steel fridges fingerprint-free is a struggle. The Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner Kit restores your fridge's shine. It removes fingerprints, smudges, and grease effortlessly, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. Includes microfiber cloths for a brilliant shine and stainless steel wipes for quick touch-ups. Chapter 5. Let's face it, cleaning up spills in the fridge is never fun. But what if you could prevent those spills from becoming a sticky, messy nightmare? That's where Cyrico refrigerator liners come in. These clear liners act as a protective barrier between your food and the fridge shelves, making cleaning a breeze. Cyrico refrigerator liners are made from durable, BPA-free, and food-safe EVA material. This material is waterproof and easy to wipe clean, making it perfect for lining your fridge shelves and drawers. These liners are also designed with a textured surface that helps to prevent items from sliding around. This is especially helpful for delicate fruits and vegetables that can bruise easily. And when it's time to clean, simply remove the liners from your fridge and wash them with warm, soapy water. You can also put them in the dishwasher for even easier cleaning. Cyrico refrigerator liners come in a variety of sizes to fit different fridge models. They can be easily cut to size to fit your specific needs. Chapter 6. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to eliminate odors in your fridge, Then look no further than Vergal USA activated charcoal odor absorbers. These powerful odor absorbers use the natural properties of activated charcoal to neutralize even the toughest smells. Activated charcoal is known for its incredible ability to absorb and trap odors, moisture, and impurities. It works by attracting and trapping odor molecules on its porous surface, preventing them from reaching your nose and making your fridge smell unpleasant. Vergal USA activated charcoal odor. Absorbers come in convenient, breathable bags that can be placed anywhere in your fridge. Simply place 1 or 2 bags in your fridge and let them work their magic. These odor absorbers are also long-lasting, providing up to 6 months of continuous odor protection. And when it's time to replace them, you can simply dispose of them in your regular trash. Vergal USA activated charcoal odor. Absorbers are a safe and effective way to keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean without the use of harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. Chapter 7. For those who prefer natural cleaning products, we have the perfect solution for your stainless steel fridge: Therapy. Clean stainless steel cleaner and polish. This plant-based cleaner is tough on grime and gentle on your appliances, leaving behind a streak-free shine and a refreshing lavender scent. What sets Therapy Clean apart is its commitment to using plant-derived ingredients and essential oils. This cleaner is free from harsh chemicals, ammonia, and dyes, making it a safer and healthier choice for your home and family. The unique formula effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, watermarks, and grease without damaging your stainless steel surfaces. It's also formulated to leave behind a protective barrier that resists future fingerprints and smudges, keeping your fridge looking cleaner for longer. And if you're sensitive to strong chemical odors, you'll appreciate the light and refreshing lavender scent of Therapy Clean. It leaves your kitchen smelling fresh and clean without being overpowering. Therapy Clean stainless steel cleaner and polish is easy to use. Simply spray it directly on the surface and wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. Chapter 8. Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. No matter what cleaning products you choose for your fridge, having a set of high-quality cleaning cloths is essential. And when it comes to cleaning cloths, microfiber is the way to go. Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are a must-have for any cleaning enthusiast. These cloths are made from ultra-soft, highly absorbent microfiber that can hold up to 8 times its weight in liquid. This means you can clean more with less, reducing your paper towel usage and saving money in the long run. Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are incredibly versatile and can be used with a variety of cleaning products, from all-purpose cleaners to glass cleaners to stainless steel cleaners. Their soft texture is gentle on delicate surfaces, so you can use them with confidence on your fridge shelves, drawers, and exterior. And when it's time to clean your cleaning cloths, simply toss them in the washing machine. Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are designed to withstand hundreds of washes, making them a sustainable and cost-effective choice. Chapter 9. Amazon Basics Clean Plus Toothbrushes. You might be surprised to see toothbrushes on a list of fridge cleaning products, but hear us out. Amazon Basics Clean Plus toothbrushes are surprisingly effective at cleaning those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies in your fridge that larger cleaning tools just can't reach. The small size and sturdy bristles of these toothbrushes make them perfect for scrubbing around the rubber gasket on your fridge door, where crumbs and spills tend to collect. They can also be used to clean the grooves of your fridge shelves and drawers, as well as those tiny crevices around the water dispenser and ice maker. Amazon Basics Clean Plus toothbrushes are also great for cleaning the small parts of your fridge, such as the removable shelves and drawers. Their bristles can get into all those little corners and crevices that are difficult to reach with a sponge or cloth. And since these are toothbrushes, they are designed to be gentle yet effective, so you don't have to worry about scratching your fridge surfaces. Chapter 10. Baking Soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that neutralizes odors in your fridge. Pour some into an open container and place it on a fridge shelf. It will absorb odors, keeping your fridge fresh. And there you have it, the best products on Amazon to keep your fridge clean and fresh in 2024. From heavy-duty cleaners to natural odor absorbers and clever organizational tools, there's a product on this list for every need and budget. Remember, a clean fridge is essential for maintaining a healthy and organized kitchen. By investing in these top-rated Amazon products, You can make cleaning your fridge a breeze and ensure that your food stays fresh and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more